In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine postage on eBay. If you want to make shipping easier for your buyers and avoid charging separate postage for multiple items, eBay lets you set up combined shipping rules right inside Seller Hub. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find those settings and what you'll see when you get there. To begin, go to eBay and click on Sell. This will take you into the seller area where you can manage listings, orders, shipping, and preferences. If you sell regularly, this is the main workspace you'll be using for most of your account management. Once you're in the seller section, move your cursor over orders. You don't need to click right away here. Just hover over it so the drop-down menu appears. This menu gives you access to different order-related tools, including the shipping section we need for setting up combined postage. From that drop-down, click on Shipping Labels. This opens the shipping label area in Seller Hub. Even though we're not printing the label at this point, this section also gives you access to shipping-related settings and preferences, which is why we're starting here. After the page loads, look for Shipping Preferences and click on it. This is where eBay stores the settings that control how shipping behaves across your listings and orders. It's a useful section to know, especially if you want to create a more streamlined checkout experience for buyers purchasing more than one item from you. Inside Shipping Preferences, find the Combined Shipping Rules section. This is the area specifically designed for combining postage. If a buyer purchases multiple items from your store, these rules can help determine how shipping charges are handled instead of applying full postage to every item individually. Next, click Edit. This opens the options you can adjust for your combined shipping setup. Take your time here so you can review the available rule types carefully and choose the one that best matches the way you ship your items. At this point, you'll see three types of shipping rules: flat shipping rule, calculated shipping rule, and promotional shipping rule. These are the main options eBay provides for combined postage. Flat shipping rules are useful if you want a predictable charge structure. Calculated shipping rules are helpful when shipping costs depend on package details or destination. Promotional shipping rules can be useful if you want to offer a shipping discount as an incentive for buyers to purchase more. And that's how to get to the combined postage settings on eBay. Once you're in this section, you can review the rule types and apply the option that fits your store's shipping strategy best.